Hey, what's up, guys? You're in technology, engineering, and design. Just showing you today kind of where I want you to go. Yesterday, I had you guys working in Unit 4, Lesson 6, and I'd ask you to finish up working on 1 through 7 for your micro mini golf portfolio. One question that I had yesterday was about the chart in step 6. So remember that you are listing your constraints on the left-hand side. So constraints are things that hold you back, like time, uh, cost, uh, money, those types of things could be what holds you back. In this case, it could be time to build. You could also use some criteria such as the must have a T or must fall within the 2x2, and then you rank those um, with numbers. So one, you give it a 1, a 2, or a 3 for each of your sketches. Okay. Today, what I would like for you to work on is use the presentation, open the presentation, read through the presentation today, and then answer these multiple choice questions that go with it. So once you get done with those, go ahead and submit those in Unit 4, Lesson 6. So you should have submitted Micro Mini Golf Portfolio Steps 1 through 7, and then you should have submitted the multiple choice in that as well. So that's kind of where we're at for today, and today is the 19th of March. If you have questions, please let me know. Check your email regularly, and I'll be trying to post some videos and give you some instructions as we go through and move forward. Have a great day.